Let's say I'm a visitor going through this website and suddenly I'm having some queries. So for that, I will just select this WhatsApp icon and here you can see this is the AI assistant. So as a user, I will select this start chat. I'm landed to my WhatsApp where as a user, and here you can see this is the user's first message which is going to send to this numbers which is saved here as test number. So this is my business contact number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is I need help, and this message is going to initiate my AI assistant which I have created for my business. And now that AI assistant is going to respond to all my customer queries regarding my business. And here you can see that I'm getting this response which says I can help, what you need assistance with regarding Heaven's Stone reality. And here you can see that I'm getting the response. Now as a user, I can ask whatever I want regarding this business. So now let's enter a question and see whether we get the answer of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is what type of properties does Heaven's Stone reality offer. Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And you might be wondering how this is going to provide the response according to my business details. So it is going to do so because I have provided it the knowledge base. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question, that is, do you help with home loans? And let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. Until that, let me take you towards the knowledge base which is having the details of my business. And here you can see that we are getting the answer of my question, that is yes, Heaven's Stone reality provide general home loans guidance and documentation assistance. So here you can see that I'm getting the response according to my question. Now let's move on towards the knowledge base. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base, basically a document containing the details of my business. And here you can see all the details of my business, and this starts with the business overview which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here I have provided all my business details. So now my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from this knowledge base and resolve all the queries of my customer. So now you can also create this amazing AI assistant by using which you can resolve all the queries of your customers within the WhatsApp. And your customers can directly land from your website to your WhatsApp by just one click. So for creating this amazing AI assistant for your website, you just have to use one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you are going to create this AI assistant. So now let me take you towards the AI assistant page where we are going to create this AI assistant. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page where we are going to make this amazing AI assistant without requiring any coding or technical skills. And for getting this page, you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So open your browser and type the URL of Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Chatflow provides you 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring it. So you can create this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Chatflow, if you like this automation tool, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the AI assistant page where I have already added my WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here on the left hand side, we are getting this option for AI assistant which you have to select, and you will be landed to the page where you can create your AI assistant. So right here I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, and we are getting all these instructions. And here in this AI configuration section, we are getting this option for temperature, which shows creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. And here I'm going to select the AI to use, that is OpenAI, and the model of my OpenAI. And here we are getting this option for entering the API key, which you can get from this OpenAI API's key page. And as I already have my API key, so I'm going to just click over this connect button. And here you can see that my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. And from this AI assistant settings section, you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And afterwards, we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So here you can enter your stop keywords, but I'm going to keep it as disabled, and afterwards we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10, but I'm going to keep it as disabled only. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And here in the knowledge source we have to provide the knowledge base. So as I have already shown you the knowledge base, let's upload it here. So right here you can see that I'm on my media library, where you can see this knowledge base for the Heavenstone reality, which I'm going to select and insert. And here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting this name and the vector ID of knowledge base. Now let's configure the assistant interface. So here it is asking me to enter my header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter it as Heavenstone reality, which is the name of my brand, and here I'm going to just type it. And here you can see that as I have entered this header display heading name, this is appearing over the preview of the AI assistant. So this is the way our AI assistant is going to look over the website. And here you can see in the heading name we are getting a brand name, and here we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And here we are getting this initial message, and this initial message can also be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. Now for this field, that is display the powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable or disable it. And now here you can provide the footer text, footer link, and this is the user's first message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. And now let's move on towards the styling tab and customize the visual appearance. So from here you can select your preferred theme, mode, assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And here you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the easy process for creating our AI assistant. Now let's enable it and save this AI assistant by simply selecting this save AI assistant button. And here you can see that our AI assistant has been saved successfully. And once you have created your AI assistant, you want to embed it to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting this code which you have to paste over the code of your website in the JavaScript section, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So by selecting just the WhatsApp icon and by selecting the start chat button, your users can land to the WhatsApp and can get the answer of all their queries within the WhatsApp. So now I'm going to show you how to add it. So you can see that this is my website where I don't have any AI assistant right now. Now let's copy this code, and now let's move on towards the code of my this website. So right here you can see that I'm on the code of my website, and now here I'm going to add the code received from the Pabbly Chatflow in the JavaScript section of my website code. So here I'm going to just enter it, and now let's just save it by simply selecting this save button. So right here I'm on my website where I'm going to just refresh, and here you can see that we are successfully receiving this WhatsApp icon. So here I'm going to select it, and now as I will select the start chat, I will be landed to the WhatsApp where as a user I can get the answer of all my queries. So now you have seen that how you can create an amazing AI assistant and can embed it to your website so that your users can get the answer of all their queries by just selecting a button. So now you can also create this automation or this AI assistant for whatever business you are running by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.